Have you ever tried to learn something new from a page full of text? It can feel overwhelming and boring. Our brains love visuals. They help us understand and remember information better. Good visual design makes learning materials interesting and easy to follow. It's like having a friendly guide leading you through the information. Think about a time you saw a great presentation. The slides probably had pictures, charts, and clear text. This is visual design in action. It makes learning more engaging and effective. When things look good, we pay more attention. Visual design is not just about making things pretty, it's about making them work well for learners. Good design helps us focus on the important information. It breaks down complex ideas into smaller, easier to understand pieces. When learning materials are well designed, everyone benefits. Students learn more effectively. Teachers can present information in a more engaging way. So let's explore some key principles of visual design to improve our learning experiences. Imagine a website with flashing banners and tiny crowded text. Would you want to spend time there? Probably not. Clarity and simplicity are crucial in visual design. Make information easy to see and understand. Use a clear, readable font. Avoid too many fonts or sizes. Break up text with headings and bullet points. This aids scanning and digestion. Simplicity enhances clarity. Remove distractions. Avoid unnecessary images and decorations. Use a simple color scheme and white space. White space makes content appealing. Consistency is key. Use the same style elements. For example, consistent fonts for headings. Maintain a consistent color scheme and layout. Consistency creates harmony and professionalism. It helps learners navigate easily. Think about your favorite book cover. What draws you to it? It's probably the colors, fonts, and overall layout. These design elements play a crucial role in making learning materials attractive and effective. Colors can evoke emotions and associations. Choose colors that are appropriate for your subject matter and target audience. For example, cool colors like blue and green can create a calm and peaceful atmosphere. Warm colors like red and orange can evoke excitement and energy. Use contrasting colors for text and background to ensure readability. Fonts, like colors, convey a certain feeling and style. Choose fonts that are easy to read and appropriate for your content. Sans serif fonts like Arial and Helvetica are generally considered more modern and clean. Serif fonts like Times New Roman and Garamond have a more traditional and formal feel. Layout refers to the arrangement of elements on a page. A well-designed layout guides the reader's eye and creates a clear visual hierarchy. Use grids and alignment to create a sense of order and structure. Place important information in prominent positions, such as the top left corner of the page, where the eye naturally starts reading. Sometimes words aren't enough to explain complex concepts. This is where visual aids come in. Infographics, diagrams, and charts simplify information and make it memorable. Use icons and data visualizations to enhance understanding. They are great for explaining processes and statistics. Keep visuals balanced and focused. Effective visual design is essential for engaging learning materials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.